Welcome to Aarais Technova. I'm excited to share the wonders of engineering with you. Our mission is simple: break down complex engineering concepts into clear, approachable stories. Whether you're a student, a budding innovator, or just curious about how things work, this channel is your hub for learning and discovery. Let's embark on this journey together. Engineering made simple. At its core, engineering is the application of science and mathematics to solve real-world problems. Engineers design innovative products and processes that drive progress across industries, from electronics to infrastructure. Through their work, they protect lives, create new technologies and tackle global challenges like sustainability and public health. Think of engineering as the bridge between theoretical ideas and practical solutions, the engine of human advancement. Our channel explores 5 key branches of engineering: mechanical, electrical, civil, computer and emerging fields. Mechanical engineering is all about machines and systems, electrical engineering deals with circuits and electronics, civil engineering focuses on infrastructure and structures, computer engineering integrates software and hardware, and emerging fields include artificial intelligence, robotics and sustainable technologies. We'll delve into each of these areas, showing how they connect and highlighting exciting innovations that shape our world. Here's how our content is distributed: roughly a third of our episodes explore mechanical topics, a quarter focus on electrical engineering, with the remaining episodes covering civil, computer and emerging fields. Each video will feature concept tutorials to simplify theory, visual explanations with clear diagrams, and real-world case studies. We'll also share problem-solving strategies and exam tips, and host interactive Q&A sessions and project breakdowns. There's something for every curious mind. By joining the Aarais Technova community, you'll gain access to simplified explanations and exam-ready knowledge. We'll explore interesting projects and real-world examples, host interactive sessions and Q&A, and foster a supportive network of curious engineers. If you enjoy our content, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Let's learn, explore, and build together.